Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. I'm Susan and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to review one purchase that I made at Ulta. I don't know if anyone else has them. It is the cutest thing. I don't know, I have been sleeping on this brand. I see it all the time, don't get me wrong. I have their primer, but everything else I have slept on. And I was perusing through Ulta, and I don't know if you guys do this, but I literally go through every single aisle and see if there is something I don't have yet or something similar. So I always go firstly Urban Decay. They have anything new? Any new colors? Anything that I don't have that's similar? Nope. Okay, next aisle. That is what I literally do, and it's horrible because that tells you how much crap I have. Nowhere do I have like PR type stuff, and I keep it. I obviously buy everything myself, but I have a lot of shit. I do, and it's just, there's no point of reviewing it all because somebody's already done it. But maybe one day I will show you a tour of makeup I have. Oy. Anywho, so what I found about Smashbox, I found this cute Holidaze Always on Liquid lip set. Cute. It's real cute. And I looked at it and I was like, okay, the colors, you know, in the package, I'm like, whatever. And then I looked and there's 6 of them and I saw that, I'm like, And then I looked at the testers and I swatched one and it was over. So these are the cutest. They come in this little, you know, plastic thing, and I hate because you think you have to like push them out. How these work, and I found a trick, is if you push the top, see that? Woo! Yeah, so it comes right out. And I do have swatches. They are not the best swatches, but I have them on my lips, and I'll show one, whichever side, I don't know, for each color. I really like these. Some of the colors I would not wear by themselves. I would wear either as an ombre color or maybe over or mixed with another color. But I think that these were probably some of the maybe better selling colors. So they are, let's see, Rust Fund, which is like a metallic copper. The next one was called Babe Alert. It is a, I don't want to say a dusty rose, but it is a dusty rose that's very opaque. It's not sheer. None of these are sheer. The next one is called Exo Vlada, which was made by Vlada, I forgot her last name, but she's the one that started the dripping lip art that everyone keeps stealing, and she has to sue everybody because they keep stealing her idea. And went off on a tangent because that's just really jacked up, I think. But anywho, so this is one of her signature colors, I believe. It is a gold. It almost feels like a cream, even though these are all a matte color. It's like a creamy satin matte. That's the best I can give you. The next color is Stepping Out. This is my everyday color, pretty much, when I just want to feel like, let me throw something on. I'll throw this on and maybe put like the Fenty Gloss Bomb over it just a little bit. I like matte, and then sometimes I just don't. But this is a very neutral color. It's not a brown, it's not a rose, it's not a beige. It's a muted mauve-y pink. That's what we'll go with. The next one is called Man Eater. This is the perfect like Christmas color. It's a true red. It's very blue. It's blue undertone. It has metallic in it. It reminds me of the same formula as the Exo Vlada. So it's a metallic matte. So it has that, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know. They're not transfer proof, I'm gonna tell you that. I like it. It's a little more a brighter red, like strawberry red, but with more red versus more pink, but it has blue undertones, if that makes any sense. Don't ask. If it doesn't, you'll figure it out. Next, the Miss Misconduct. This is probably one of my favorite colors. It is a dark red. I do not have this on, but it's a dark red. It is fantastic on my skin color. I love it. So it looks almost like a universal darker red color, if that makes sense. I'm gonna open these up and show you. These are travel sizes, which is good. And the reason I say that, this has this, I don't know what kind of applicator this is, but it is the one with the like hole, looks like a teardrop, whatever. The reason I like travel sizes of things like this is because I have so many lipsticks, lip glosses, lip stains, lip lacquers, whatever else the hell you can think of to call a lip product, in all full sizes. And when I get these, that tells me that I can use these really quickly and not like stockpile lipstick, because as we all know, makeup does have an expiration date. There's no way possible in hell that I can use every single product I have purchased. I have stuff you don't even want to know. I have it sitting somewhere else in the house that I just haven't thrown away. I've had since probably early 2000s. I don't use it, but I just have to throw it away. But that's because, oh, something new, bigger and better has come out, and I just pushed that to the side. Anyway, the whole point of that is, that's why I'm glad these are travel sizes, because even though they're travel sizes, they're realistic sizes for me. So I appreciate that. A lot of people, they're not gonna wear all of these. I probably will wear 1, 2, 3. All right, who are we lying to? I'm gonna wear all 6 of these, especially the one I said every day, and then Misconduct. The XO Vlada, I will probably wear over something for a little bit of oomph. But I'm not wearing these by themselves. Sometimes an opaque color, you just see lip with no definition, and you'll see in the photos what I'm talking about. But anywho, I do like these. Most people want to, you know, have, like I said, the full sizes of everything, and then lipstick and all that gets wasted. So that's why I like these. But that is one thing I wanted to share from my Ulta purchase, of one thing I probably don't have. But yeah, I really do like these, and the colors are not too crazy. If you're looking to give this to a friend for like a stocking stuffer, or you know, somebody, if you're at your job and you have like Secret Santa and they, you know, they love makeup, this is perfect. I think I only paid $25 for this, which isn't bad. I don't know how much Smashbox lipsticks are, but yeah, I highly recommend this. And it's, what is it, 3 travel size mattes, 3 travel size metallic mattes. So yeah, it really works. I like it. So that is all I have, and thanks for tuning in to The Ordinary Snob, and I'll see you next time.